These AI food eating ASMR videos are going viral right now because this content is genuinely unique and stops every food lover mid-scroll and keeps them watching till the very last second. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. Without wasting any extra time, let us get straight into the process. But before we start, 83% of our viewers have not subscribed yet. If you want to keep getting free tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button right now. Let us go. Start by opening ChatGPT and pasting this short prompt. You will find it attached inside the prompt file in the description below. Hit enter, and it will instantly provide you a list of engaging food names along with their ingredients. Go through the list and select the one that looks the most visually satisfying, and keep it ready. You are going to need both the food name and the ingredients in just a moment. Now head over to the description below and open the detailed master prompt file. Copy the first prompt from the file. Open Google Flow and select the video option, then ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Keep the number of outputs more than one, so you have multiple results to compare and pick the best one from. Paste the prompt directly into the field. Now inside the prompt, first select your serving object from the options given. I am selecting a serving plate. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen food name, and paste it inside every food item section within the prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT again, copy the ingredients, and paste them inside the ingredients section within the prompt. When everything is filled in correctly, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your first video clip will be completely ready right in front of you. Now here is the step that makes this video come alive. Save the last frame of your first clip by clicking this button. Now upload a photo of any person you want to appear eating the food in the video. I uploaded my own picture. Now drag that saved last frame and the avatar picture together as ingredients inside a new generation. Go back to the description and copy the second prompt. Paste it into the field and repeat the same process to copy and paste the food name into the designated food sections inside this prompt. No need to paste the ingredients this time, just the food name. When everything is ready, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your second video clip showing the person eating the food will be completely ready. Download both clips and import them into your video editor. Place them in the correct sequence from beginning to end, the food being made first, and then the person eating it. Hit export, and your complete AI food eating ASMR video is ready to go viral. Now here is a bonus step that makes this even more flexible. If you want a completely random person eating the food every time instead of your own photo, simply drag that last frame as an ingredient again into a new generation. Copy the third video prompt from the description, paste the food name into the designated food sections, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you will have a brand new version of the video with a random person eating that food. No photo needed. Same food, new face, new video, every single time. The full prompt file is in the description waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.